Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In this video, we'll explore load testing and performance testing with Locust. In the fast-paced world of software development, ensuring that your applications can handle real-world usage scenarios is very important. Load and performance testing are essential techniques that help you assess your application's behavior under different stress levels. In this article, we'll delve into the concepts of load testing and performance testing and introduce you to Locust, a powerful tool for conducting these tests effectively. Load testing and performance testing, a brief overview. Load testing involves subjecting your application to varying traffic levels, simulating user interactions, and evaluating its performance under the imposed load. It helps you identify bottlenecks, resource limitations, and potential crashes under heavy usage. On the other hand, performance testing evaluates your application's responsiveness, speed, stability, and overall performance. It ensures that your software meets users' performance expectations across different scenarios. An open source load testing tool. Locust is an important open source load testing tool that enables you to simulate thousands of concurrent users, analyzing the performance of your application in real time. It's written in Python. Locust is highly flexible and customizable, making it an excellent choice for load and performance testing. To get started with Locust, you need to have Python and pip installed, which you can do from their docs. Then install Locust with the following command, pip install Locust. To create a basic Locust test, we'll look at an example. Create a file called locustfile.py. From Locust import HTTP user task in between and create a new class website user which inherits from HTTP user. Wait between 1 and 3 seconds and have this decorated task, and there's a function index page self. So you'll get client.get this URL. Run locust with the command locustfile -f locustfile.py. Once you run this, you'll get the following output. Now open your web browser and navigate to localhost 8089. You can configure the number of users and hatch rate, simulating user load on your application. So hatch rate is how many users are going to get added, new users are going to get added to your application, like for, who are going to open your website and swarm it. Customizing and extending tests, Locust provides flexibility to create complex test scenarios tailored to your application's needs. You can add tasks, set up authentication, and even include different user behaviors. The benefits of load testing with Locust are scalability testing. You can assess how well your application scales with increased traffic and users. Realistic simulation. So Locust allows you to mimic user interaction securely, providing insights into real-world scenarios. Performance tuning. Identify bottlenecks, database issues, and slow API calls that could affect your application's performance. Customizable load profiles. Tailor your load tests to match your application's usage patterns. So a lot of times it happens that you have some application and now you're gonna release it like for usage by a lot of more customers than that were initially testing your application. So before you do that, you perform load and performance testing so that you know what are the bottlenecks and you can fix them before the actual users end up facing it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please follow Python Code Nemesis on YouTube if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.